Nene. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, is going to be a wig install. Well, obviously, because look, I'm sitting here in the intro with my wig cap. But I received a wig from XSY, whatever, XSY hair on Amazon. They contacted me on Instagram. I guess they saw my tags or whatever, and wanted me to do a review on it. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you want to see how I'm gonna install it or whatever, definitely keep on watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls. And that's it. Let's get started. All right, so here we have a 16. This hair is soft. This is like my first time like really playing with the hair. This hair is like really soft. It don't stink. It smell like, you know, that typical like AliExpress, Amazon hair. Like, it's got that smell. Alright, so to install this wig, all you gotta do is literally just pop it on. Let me take this little hair out the comb part. Alright, pop it on, secure it in the back, fix your straps. And tighten up the strap in the back. So boom, real quick, simple, easy out the door. It's just cute. But what I'm gonna do is comb out or brush out the curls, because I don't like it in just this little right out the box state. It just looks so right out the box. But yeah, well, should I just do it with my fingers? Just run my fingers through it, just to kind of give it a little more volume. And this looks like one that I had before, but it's just shorter. Yeah. I got a big mirror on my wall, so I have to like look over there to make sure like the whole picture, you know, I get the whole picture, the whole view over here. Like, I can see on my monitor too, but I need to see in the mirror, because I got a little mirror right here, but this one ain't big enough. I can't see everything. But yeah. Ooh, yes. It looks really good. I like this length. Oh, that's cute. I think I'm gonna leave it in the middle, but I just want to like pull it over so y'all can see like how it would look flipped over. I mean, I do have like the world's biggest forehead. My God. That's why I would kind of like camouflage it, but I think it looks good in the middle. Who is that? My grandma. My grandma is so funny. Hey grandma, I know you're gonna be watching this. I love you. But yeah, that's it. You see how fast that was, y'all? Less than like 5 minutes to put this wig on and style it. I'm gonna show y'all the headband that they sent over. This is it. Of course, it don't match nothing I got on, but of course I'm not gonna wear it like this either. Pull it over the hair and slide it up, and boom, got you another look. Okay, so here I'm just showing y'all some different styles that you could do. You can pull it up in a little half up, half down situation. I also tried these little, I think they used to call these things space buns. Girl, 2 little buns on the top of your head and the rest of it down. And then I went ahead and sprayed it with my water bottle and put on some of the Lotta Body foam and just wore it in like the little wet look. But these are just some different styles that you can try, and yeah. Back to the video. Alright, you guys, so here is the wig all installed and styled or fluffed out or whatever. Yeah, I think it's really cute. Right now it's on sale for $64. Well, it's normally $71, so that's not bad for a 16-inch deep wave headband wig that is cute like this. But right now it is $64, and again, this is from XSY hair. Thank you guys for sending me this over to review. I really appreciate it. But I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below telling me what you think about it. And that's it. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.